Hello everyone. URGS International Engineering Services Pvt Limited provides rotary furnace project consultancy, production management, quality management. So today we will see rotary furnace in lead refinery plant. So introduction. Welcome to URGS International Engineering Services. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the rotary furnace. Rotary furnace is a core equipment in modern lead refinery plants. Rotary furnaces play a vital role in melting, refining, and recovering lead efficiently from scrap or crude metal, ensuring high quality output for industrial applications such as batteries, alloys, and chemicals. Now, section 1. What is a rotary furnace? A rotary furnace is a cylindrical, rotating, high temperature furnace designed to melt lead and remove impurities through controlled thermal and chemical processes. Its rotation ensures uniform heating, better metal circulation, and enhanced separation of dross and other non-metallic contaminants. Rotary furnaces can process lead scrap from batteries, soft lead bullion, intermediate lead products from primary smelting, alloyed lead containing antimony, tin or copper. Section 2. Now, what is working principle of rotary furnace? Furnace charging, burners, molten metal, steering, dross removal. The working principle of a rotary furnace combines mechanical rotation, high temperature heating, and chemical refining. First, charging. Raw material is loaded into the rotary drum. Second, melting. Burners provide controlled heat. Rotation ensures even melting. Third, refining. During rotation, additives like flux, zinc or sulfur may be added to remove impurities such as copper, zinc, tin and antimony. Fourth, dross skimming. Rotational molten motion helps dross and slag float to the surface, which is continuously skimmed for better metal recovery. Fifth, desilverization. If required, zinc is added to precipitate precious metals like silver and gold. The furnace designs allows continuous or batch operation depending on plant capacity and production requirements. Now let us see section 3. What is this? Advantages of rotary furnaces. Rotary furnace provide several operational advantages. Uniform heating. Rotation distributes heat evenly, preventing hot spots. Higher throughput. Large quantities of lead can be processed efficiently. Enhanced metal recovery. Dross separation is optimized, minimizing metal loss. Energy efficiency. Heat utilization is maximized, reducing fuel consumption. Process flexibility. Can handle multiple types of scrap and alloyed lead. Operational control. Temperature, rotation speed, and chemical addition can be precisely controlled. These advantages make rotary furnaces ideal for high volume, high purity lead refining operations. Section 4. Rotary Production Management. Rotary production management is the systematic approach to optimizing furnace operation. Key practices include batch planning, optimizing charge composition for consistent melting and minimal energy consumption, temperature and burner control, maintaining ideal heat levels for efficient melting and impurity removal. Rotation speed adjustment, ensuring proper metal circulation and dross separation. Additive management, correct dosing of flux, zinc or sulfur for refining. Cycle monitoring, tracking melting time, fuel consumption and metal recovery. Maintenance scheduling, regular refractory and mechanical checks to prevent downtime. Effective production management ensures maximum yield, consistent quality and reduced operating costs. Section 5. Safety and environmental control. Rotary furnaces operate at high temperature and handle potentially toxic fumes. Safety measures include proper personal protective equipment for operators, fume extraction and back filters to control lead dust and emissions, temperature and gas monitoring for safe operation, regular inspection and maintenance of burners, drums and refractory linings. Environmental compliance is essential for sustainable and safe operations. Then section 6. Final product and applications. The molten refined lead is cast into ingots or intermediate forms for industrial use. Applications include lead acid battery manufacturing, alloy production for engineering purposes, chemicals and radiation shielding products, secondary lead products from recycling operations. Rotary furnaces ensure high purity, consistent quality, and maximum recovery, making them indispensable in modern lead refining. Thank you for watching. The rotary furnace is a backbone of lead refining, combining efficiency, safety, and precision. For turnkey solutions, metallurgical consultancy, or rotary furnace supply, contact URGS International Engineering Services Pvt Limited today. Our email ID is this below given here, info@urgseng.com. Mobile number is +91 7359458455. Thank you.